Welcome to our Emerson Lifecycle Services Mobile Service Center. We utilize these units globally within a customer's plant when valves cannot leave their facility, valves cannot be taken out of line or service for a lengthy period, in remote locations where we do not have a bricks and mortar service center locally. Also in field-related scope calls for the various capabilities that our individual mobile service centers offer, ranging from 10 feet all the way to 53 feet. Our overall goal is really to minimize our customers' downtime, but increase their uptime.
Some of the capabilities included in this 20-foot unit are a vertical test system for pressure relief valves, testing for valves up to 10-inch, and pressures of 6,000 psi. Low pressure test system for spring-loaded and weight-loaded pressure relief devices. This system can test for pressures and vacuum. Lapping equipment, measuring equipment, and necessary tooling to disassemble, inspect, and service pressure relief valves as required by the customer. Through the customer registration software, we can have a valve test verification report to show your valve has been recertified to its pressure setting. 1,000 psi jib crane is included to position valves in or remove valves from any of the testing equipment. Workbenches inside this unit are provided to disassemble and assemble valves. Storage areas are included for inventory, tooling, and PPE. It can also be used as a command center so our field technicians can receive real-time digital tool data to make quicker decisions.
By performing these services at your site, you reduce transportation costs, maintain control of your assets, and reduce scheduling delays associated with asset inspection. The portability of the container provides logistical flexibility for locating the service capabilities close to your assets, and all of our containers come equipped with their own utilities, power generation, air compression, in case they are not available at your site. To learn more about these mobile service centers, contact your local sales office.